Where do we like to lend in Dallas? In this video, we are breaking down the top 10 neighborhoods that we target for new construction lending. Number 10, Bird Streets. Median listing price, $775,000. Number 9, Lower Greenville. Median listing price, $850,000. Number 8, Devonshire. Median listing price, $2.8 million. Number 7, Bluffview. Median listing price, $2 million. Number 6, Lake Highlands. Median listing price, $420,000. Number 5, Lakewood. Median listing price, $1.6 million. Number 4, Midway Hollow. Median listing price, $1.3 million. Number 3, Preston Hollow. Median listing price, $2.3 million. Number 2, Highland Park. Median listing price, $4 million. And number 1, University Park. Median listing price, $2.7 million.